5 Best Foods to Boost Your Brain and Memory. Your brain is kind of a big deal. As the control center of your body, it's in charge of keeping your heart beating and lungs breathing and allowing you to move, feel, and think. That's why it's a good idea to keep your brain in peak working condition. The foods you eat play a role in keeping your brain healthy and can improve specific mental tasks, such as memory and concentration. This video lists 5 foods that boost your brain. 1. Fatty fish. When people talk about brain foods, fatty fish is often at the top of the list. This type of fish includes salmon, trout, albacore tuna, herring, and sardines, all of which are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. About 60% of your brain is made of fat, and half of that fat is comprised of omega-3 fatty acids. Your brain uses omega-3s to build brain and nerve cells, and these fats are essential for learning and memory. Omega-3s also offer several additional benefits for your brain. For one thing, they may slow age-related mental decline and help ward off Alzheimer's disease. On the flip side, not getting enough omega-3s is linked to learning impairments, as well as depression. In general, eating fish seems to have positive health benefits. Some research also suggests that people who eat fish regularly tend to have more gray matter in their brains. Gray matter contains most of the nerve cells that control decision-making, memory, and emotion. Overall, fatty fish is an excellent choice for brain health. 2. Coffee. If coffee is the highlight of your morning, you'll be glad to hear that it's good for you. 2 main components in coffee, caffeine and antioxidants, can help support brain health. The caffeine found in coffee has a number of positive effects on the brain, including increased alertness. Caffeine keeps your brain alert by blocking adenosine, a chemical messenger that makes you feel sleepy. Improved mood. Caffeine may also boost some of your feel-good neurotransmitters, such as dopamine. Sharpen concentration. One study found that caffeine consumption led to short-term improvements in attention and alertness in participants completing a cognition test. Drinking coffee over the long term is also linked to a reduced risk of neurological diseases, such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. The largest risk reduction was seen in those adults who consume 3-4 cups daily. This could at least be partly due to coffee's high concentration of antioxidants. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries provide numerous health benefits, including some that are specifically for your brain. Blueberries and other deeply colored berries deliver anthocyanins, a group of plant compounds with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Antioxidants act against both oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions that can contribute to brain aging and neurodegenerative diseases. Some of the antioxidants in blueberries have been found to accumulate in the brain and help improve communication between brain cells. According to one review of 11 studies, blueberries could help improve memory and certain cognitive processes in children and older adults. Try sprinkling them over your breakfast cereal, adding them to a smoothie, or enjoying as is for a simple snack. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric has generated a lot of buzz recently. This deep yellow spice is a key ingredient in curry powder and has a number of benefits for the brain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. It's a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that has been linked to the following brain benefits. May benefit memory. Curcumin may help improve memory in people with Alzheimer's. It may also help clear the amyloid plaques that are a hallmark of this disease. Eases depression. Curcumin boosts serotonin and dopamine, both of which improve mood. One review found that curcumin could improve symptoms of depression and anxiety when used alongside standard treatments in people diagnosed with depression. Helps new brain cells grow. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. It may help delay age-related mental decline, but more research is needed. Keep in mind that most studies use highly concentrated curcumin supplements in doses ranging from 500 to 2000 milligrams per day, which is much more curcumin than most people typically consume when using turmeric as a spice. This is because turmeric is only made up of around 3 to 6% curcumin. Therefore, while adding turmeric to your food may be beneficial, you may need to use a curcumin supplement under a doctor's guidance to obtain the results reported in these studies. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with powerful plant compounds, including antioxidants. It's also very high in vitamin K, delivering more than 100% of the recommended daily intake, RDI, in a 1 cup, 160-gram, serving of cooked broccoli. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. A few studies in older adults have linked a higher vitamin K intake to better memory and cognitive status. Beyond vitamin K, broccoli contains a number of compounds that give it anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may help protect the brain against damage.